it took the...
Come here, you bastard.
Right, yeah. Shit. Oh. Wow. It's so crazy, man. Yeah, okay. Maybe we can return it?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Nice. We have food.
Shit.
How was the feeling?
It's fucking awesome.
Thomas, how was the
Awesome.
feeling?
Awesome.
Oh.
I just feel like that.
Not anymore.
It's fucking incredible.
How was the feeling, Thomas?
Amazing, bro. Amazing.
What about you?
So freaking amazing. So amazing. Next time we have to bring a huge more.
Yeah.
We should take a turn. Take
Yeah.
a turn and make a question.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So like maybe this way or
Yeah. The first thread.
For the from the west.
Are you
So,
cold?
yeah, I'm really happy for today's trip. We went to chocolate fabric and we ate a lot of chocolates, and now our sugar level is fucking high. So yeah, and yeah, we barely saved us from the wrong bus. But everything's okay. Everything's okay. Yeah, it's a really nice trip. I recommend ESN. Yeah, because they are paying me.
Okay,
No,
thanks.
they are not.
Hey, how's your feeling?
Good. I'm not cold. A little bit
Yeah.
cold.
How's your feeling?
Very good. Very good. Excellent. Excellent evening.
Excellent.
Yeah.
How was your factory? Chocolate factory tour?
There was a lot of chocolate.
Yep.
What?
Yeah.
Logical things.
Yeah. That's it, I think. Yeah.
Yeah. So, Wonju, please tell us, how many chocolates did you eat today?
At least 3.
At least 3?
Yeah. And I have one. Yeah, I steal it. I steal a lot. Yeah. Like this. I steal a
Shit,
lot.
man,
yeah.
shit.
I have 1.5.
And then I didn't finish it. The first.
Yeah, you should finish now, and please, for YouTube, emotions, please, emotions.
YouTube?
Yeah,
I don't have YouTube channel, but
we'll make one. We'll make one.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Don't forget.
How didn't you say so?
Always like Japanese. You know, Antex. Yeah, right. I know that. Antex.
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 Yeah.
Are you finished?
I am fucking finished. Please buy these peanuts to feed birds if you are dumb ass.
Right.
Yeah.
So
Because it is barbecue season.
Yeah. Nice.
But at least we have some mangoes we can eat, so
Mango is
maybe
also
it's
seasonal.
good.
Like, right. But there's a lot of photographer for birds.
I think
We should be quiet. Are you good?
so. We are on the finish side.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Are you good? Yeah.
So, Winter Sport Olympics in China. Let's go!
How's it feeling?
It was good experience. I'm
Yeah.
feeling power now.
He's still alive.
Yeah.
Let's take him.
Yeah, almost done.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Everybody want you.
Yeah. One.
Yeah.
Good.
How is it feeling? Come on! Gold medal.
Okay.
Okay.
The last.
So fast.
Wow, that was
Nice champion.
How is it feeling?
Very good.
Very good.
It's been a long battle.
Yeah.
This is what we've done it for.
Yeah.
Nothing can go slow, really.
Strong man, strong destinies.
Exactly.
Yeah, maybe that's only grasses.
So it can be serious.
Let's hope. And if it will not happen, we go to these people, ask for their wood. They said that they have a wood. We just ask them to join us and help us to make a fire.
No, it's not. It's over.
It's alright? Yeah.
Oh no.
Okay. Joking.
Let's take this.
There might be some room if I move those two back a bit.
They didn't believe in us.
I don't believe in them.
Only I believe.
How is it feeling? Say your feeling.
I cannot see it. Words cannot.
Most beautiful experience. 10 out of 10.
Making fire.
It was really cool. Now imagine what the person who discovered the fire for the first time.
Yeah, exactly.
Wait.
You want me to...
Yeah, and maybe for Daphne.
Yo, mama. Bye-bye.
Good to see you. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
See you in the... Yeah. See you in the...
Not late for that.
And at some point, I'll be like back walking and
And then... Come on! Yeah.
Not okay.
alright, I will go for it.
Bye, my friend. Vamos. Avante.
So, Wonju, how many times did you die today?
40 seconds.
40 seconds?
Yeah, because there are... Yeah. Good to see you. Great.
Very nice interview. Thank you so much. Shit. Alright, come on, so how are you feeling yourself? Please describe feeling.
Almost done.
Please describe John.
I only have one image in my mind.
Yeah?
It's a fucking hot cappuccino. Or hot chocolate, or hot tea, whatever. Something hot. Bye, Mom. I love you, Mom.
Me too. Daphne.
Yeah.
So, how's your feelings after today's trip?
Cold but fine.
Cold but fine.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
How many times did you die?
5 times.
5 times?
Yeah.
Describe the second time, please.
The second time?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was risky,
Yep.
but good.
Okay.
Yeah.
What happened in the second time?
I don't know anymore because I was dead and I don't remember.
Ah, shit. Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah.
Fuck. But still.
We made it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Almost a shark.
Yeah. No, it was okay. I'm still alive.
it's fine.
Yeah,
It's
I'm
fine,
still
it's
alive. Yep.
Yeah.
So yeah, nice. Sven, what's up, man? Oh fuck.
What's up?
So, how's your feelings?
Positive.
Positive. All right. So. Oh fuck. Shit. Okay. Yeah, Kasha.
Yeah.
Kasha, please
Run.
stay alive.
For us, she can suddenly down.
Yeah,
No.
Halloween movie.
Yeah, like no.
Ah. Woo! Please, Kasha, how are you? Please.
No more feelings for today.
No feelings. Why? Why? Please.
Only cold feet.
Good. Yeah. Okay. Be careful here.
I will put the lead roses on your brain.
Fuck roses. I wanna go home.
Or pork.
Fuck. I'm joking. Kasha, how many times did you die today?
Did I die? That's the question.
Did you die?
Yes, I did.
Alright. How many times?
One, but a good one.
Good one. What was the good one? Like, please describe it.
Describe your death, you mean?
Yeah.
You saw it?
Any last word?
Yeah, please tell us last words after you are dead, please.
Fire!
Fire, yes, fire.
And it was it.
Fire at us. Last word.
Last
You're
words
great,
from
yeah.
me. I think fire is quite underrated. We should. Yeah, our life is underrated. It's like it's like a fire. You sometimes try to make it, but it will not happen.
Oh.
But you gotta have a patience. You gotta have some kind of a feeling that, yeah, you gotta have some kind of motivation to make it.
Your philosophy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Right.
please, if you wanna make your life, take lighter.
Okay, guys, I checked the connection. I have to go in 13 minutes.